family. Enough respect reaching out to Doogie BENZ and the old team got it locked on, right? Let's go!
You know who it is? It's your boy, Challenger, Lady BENZ, Doggy BENZ. You know we got the supervision. It is a kickback and pretty no break.
Name of the rhythm called No Breaks.
Marijuana I can see them from the skies. I can see through their disguise. I see them traitors, them schemes, them spies with their dirty lies. With the marijuana I can see through all the plans. They won't control everything they're on the line. They will corrupt you and your friends. Up now with smoke we born, make them front and they won't deny. We get the vision and the power from the marijuana They can't hold we down no matter how they try. A ganja we burn and we way up in the sky. With the marijuana I can see them from the skies. I can see through their disguise. I see them traitors, them schemes, them spies with their dirty lies. With the marijuana I can see through all the plans. They won't control everything they're on the land. They will corrupt you and your friends.
When we roll out, everything look bad. Taking on this cash and we put it in the cash. Food pan gas cause we have
Wanna know the general being?
no matter bad mind or what. When we go through them so we clean light.
Soundchat Radio. Brand new music.
When we roll out, everything look past. Taking on this cash.
Yeah man, we shoot about good music, good artists, good vibes,
We have
good production.
we no matter bad mind or what. When we touch food them so we clean light. Fresh off their port like clean white. Girlfriend booty they are knee high. We all live the real life. Do anything when you feel like. Live your life from it feel right. Please yourself from it feel nice. We all live the real life. To me, you're damn Mercury. So clean, no dirt to me. Can I see me and a circle me? Them a flirt and a talk to me. One here, one hurt to me. You talk no life, but you're clean and out. Live your life, I know nothing for you, feel bad about. One life, me have, I never free one, yo. We so fly, we don't need passport. When we touch food, them so we clean light. Fresh off their port like clean white. Girlfriend booty, they are knee high. We are the
production so creative. The whole family, man.
Yeah, I attack them with a brute force, man.
How we have shot them?
From boom box.
Yeah, we at again.
The bamboo giant.
Gaza,
You still a lead. Wife die.
Still a lead.
Still a breed. Have a spliff in a your mouth and a blood down the police department. This a summer country version. Two of my bad men are forgotten. I done them.
Shock squad.
It's a REDSQUARE production. So creative.
North Coast.
The whole family, man.
Yeah, I attack them with a brute force, man.
How we have shot them?
From boom box.
Yeah, we at again.
The bamboo giant.
Gaza lizard, they know you still a lead. Wife die your yard and girl still a breed. Have a spliff in your mouth and a bit of bigger weed. Police step on the road and you charge them still a speed. No mess around, dog, we come from a killer breed. Strap there dash down off like a feed when pig a feed. It's a small garden with some bitter weed. Thousand rifleman a march out and a me a lead. As them sleep, me take a pints where them have. Roman boom, some boy drink and feel bad. Head tag, two attack body bag. Name na kaka, then na do the job. As them sleep, we take a pints where them have. Roman boom, some boy drink and feel bad. Head tag, two attack body bag. Name na kaka, then na do the job. Doggy BENZ, guess in a car, yo, me drive away you say. Them no see a big road, they think that. Me a eat and a drink and people a video me. Me a walk through gate and fans a pull it for me.
If you can hear my voice, you done already make the wise choice. Positivity, yeah man. Hopefulity. Honey, this says so. Saying good energy, that we are pushed tonight. Essentially, bad man will brush aside. Good memories.
One and only Honey.
Yo.
Yes, indeed, me I tell you, man.
You can hear
How
me.
you mean, Doogie BENZ? Push them out of the musical gate. How you mean?
Positivity, yeah man. Hopefulity. Honey.
That one I call good energy.
Good energy, that we are pushed tonight. Essentially, bad man will brush aside. Good memories, that we are look tonight. It's officially party season. In I need the next reason. Yo, pressure could have bust your brain. Every day stress plus economic strain. Time for readjust and free up the thing. Focus and level up.
Big up yourself, fitness, enough love me general.
You hustle at a constant pace. Facts rat it at people come out of the race. Yes, we no watch no. Chase none of that. That we are pushed to the right. Essentially, bad mind will brush aside.
Enough respect reaching out to Tilly Benge. All courtesy of Tilly Benge, the weird that me have on right now. Make sure you check out the bang we are. Yeah.
And I need the next reason.
People get used to them good rhythm and them good style and them good art. I'll be featuring some of the artists on the rhythm in the future, so keep it locked on me. I tell you, it's all about consistency. Once you have consistency and work on your side, things will prevail, yeah? Those are one of the keys of being successful in the business, consistency. And good music and good rhythm like them, yeah? The image, I must push them to the forefront. So right about now...